Hi everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm box and I'm sharing with you my first impressions as usual. Now I have been dying to open this box up since I got it yesterday because look at it. This box is bigger than it usually is. Usually it's like that. It's like double. Now, for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you can choose between a base box or a premium box. Base box, which is what I get, is a $25 plus tax a month subscription where you will get 5 full-size products that average around $175, and you get to choose one of the items. Now, if you would like to receive your own box this month, I highly recommend using my referral link by March 31st. That way you'll receive a $10 credit that you can use towards your add-ons this month, as well as get a free gift on top of your regular box. For your free gift, you'll have the option to choose between the Violet Voss All of You Forever palette or the Hip.C Note eyeshadow palette. I actually received the Violet Voss All of You Forever palette in my January box and love it. I actually used it to create this look today, which you actually can see how I did this look over on my Instagram channel. I just taped a makeup tutorial on how to create a wearable St. Patrick's Day look. So if you want to learn how I got this look and see this palette in action, you'll be able to find it in my IGTV Makeup Monday videos. And while you're over there, why don't you go ahead and follow me so you can enjoy more content from me. Okay, so let's crack this box open and see what I got this month from Boxycharm. So before I open this box, I do want to update you really quick about the lip liner duo set I got in my last box that broke on me, like literally right on camera. Boxycharm did send me a replacement. Now I have not tried them out yet, but I do greatly appreciate Boxycharm doing that. Now let's see what's in this big box here. Just going to try and find the card. There we go. So each month in your box, you'll receive a card with that month's theme. And this month's theme, obviously with it being St. Patrick's Day this week, it is all about being lucky. On the back of the card, it gives you a list of all the products that you have, a little description of each of them, along with the retail value. And then down here on the bottom right corner, it lets you know what version box you have. Just going to put this down here. Alright, so the first product is it is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I believe I picked this. I remember seeing this somewhere and really wanting to try this out, and I believe it was because it was one of the choice items, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm obviously really excited about getting this because, as I just said, I really wanted to try this out. I've heard some incredible things about this product. So this is a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. Oh my God. I love that. My pores are like the biggest issue that I have been having over the last few months. So the fact that it does not clog pores, I am loving. It's non-comedogenic and non-acidogenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chai seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica, it's your recipe for hydrated, healthy-looking skin. Its retail value is $39. It smells like bananas. Oh, that is... Oh my God, I am so adding this to my skincare to try. This is a great start. Thank you, Boxycharm. Wow, this feels so much lighter. Next product is 111 Skin. This is an expensive brand. I had gotten something from them last summer, and I believe it was in my Boxycharm box, and I remember it was really expensive. So let's see, this is the Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. So according to the box, it says this lightweight and cooling gel helps define the delicate skin around the eye and lip, which is most vulnerable to aging. Highly moisturizing, this formula is enriched with actives to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Ooh, I have been looking to add a product to my skincare routine to do that. So this retails, like I said, it was expensive. Guess what it retails? $140. Wow. I got $140 skincare product and a $25 base box from Boxycharm. Just with these two products right here, you guys have already made up for the disaster experience I had last month. Oh my god, this is the Boxycharm that I know. Next product is yes, I wanted this. So this is Lavish Wet Brush Cleaning System, a convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. A textured silicone pad stores nicely inside the container. I had seen this over on Instagram on one of their sneak peek pictures, and I was like, oh my god, I hope I get that. And I did. So this retails for $15. Oh my god, I am loving all the products. Okay, so this is Avon Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I've never heard of this brand, but I do love a rose setting spray. I usually use the Wet n Wild one, and I just love using that in the spring and summertime. It like literally smells like roses, and I love the smell of roses. Okay, so it says set for intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. This is supposedly a new launch, and it retails for $22. It doesn't have a rose smell. It has like a, I don't know. It doesn't have a rose smell like the Wet n Wild one does. So, last but not least, where is it? It is, KAB lip oil. I got a KAB lip set from Boxycharm before, and I love it. So, it's a hydrating lip oil. It says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky, instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. Retail value is $20. Looks like I got Rum Punch. Ooh, don't that look cool? I love that it is bulky. Ooh, look at, I can't wait to play with this. Well, that is everything I got in my March Boxycharm box, and I have to say A+. Other than the rose water, I'm just, but all the other products I am loving. I forgot to open this up. I got a $140 skincare product, and this is a well-known brand. Actually, if you also get Ipsy, then you might have seen that Khloe Kardashian, who's doing the next Ultimate X collaboration in May, I saw that she had a product from this brand in her pics. In the little sneak peek that they were showing, yeah, I saw this brand in there. So this is a very, oh my god, I did not give this product enough time on here. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. This is even better. Oh my God. Boxycharm, you totally redeemed yourself from last month. I swear you are in my good graces again. I am not leaving ship. I am not leaving Boxycharm ship. I'm staying right here. Well, now it's your turn. What did you think of my box? Did you get a Boxycharm box this month? Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this month's boxes. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would hit that like button. And if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join me here on my channel. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.